बिस्मिल्लाहिर्रहमानिर्रहीम। अस्सलाम वालेकुम जी। मैं अपनी एक और नई वीडियो के साथ आपकी खिदमत में हाजिर हूँ। इस वीडियो में जो जॉब्स शेयर करूँगी वो जॉब्स आई थी डॉन संडे जनवरी 28 2024 के अखबार में। मार्केटिंग अ कंपनी रिक्वायर्ड मेल / फीमेल कैंडिडेट फॉर इंडोर मार्केटिंग एंड ऑफिस वर्क एंड CV mst.enterprise@hotmail.com। A company required male candidate outdoor marketing must well qualified and knowledge of garments, machinery and factory experience and CV mst.enterprise@hotmail.com. Marketing executive seeking girl/boy from surrounding areas of Sadi Town, Police Society, Sadi Garden, Tipu Sultan, Malir Kent and Safura Good proficiency in Adobe, CorelDRAW and digital marketing. Apply now and be part of our company. Email mohammadnabil476@gmail.com. Mobile 0335 260 4556 0335 260 4556. Medical or medical complex vacancies. Doctors RMO required for morning and evening shifts. A pharmacist with experience in hospital pharmacy required. Please forward your CV at alimedical262@gmail.com. Consultant endocrinology FCPS having at least 2 years experience. Phonologist ब्रैकेट में लिखा हुआ है फीमेल MBBS डिप. DIP in ultrasound having at least 2 years experience ब्रैकेट में लिखा हुआ है 2 PM to 7 PM. FCPS Residency program applicant must be FCPS 1 in OBS/gynae manager nursing ब्रैकेट में लिखा हुआ है फीमेल. BSc ब्रैकेट में लिखा हुआ है नर्सिंग. Having at least 8 to 10 years experience at tertiary care and postgraduate teaching and training center recognized by CPSP, PMDC and PNC. Please forward CV to HR department at Kharadar General Hospital, Aga Khan Road, Kharadar. Phone number 32510113 32510113 to 116 extension 173. Email kgh.hospital@gmail.com kgh.hospital@gmail.com. Dr. Tausif Amin's medical course for USMLE, HAAD, DHA, MOH, MCCEE, AMC, FCPS, MRCP 0322 8271518 0322 8271518. Renowned hospital near Metric Board Office, North Nazimabad, Karachi is looking for pharmacy technician and assistant. Candidate must having training /1 year job experience in a hospital. Pharmacy setup. Interested candidates are required to send CV on email address hr.hospitalpharmacy@gmail.com or WhatsApp only 0323 2353 423 0323 2353 423. Note: only shortlisted candidates shall be called for interview. Residents of near around area only required. Strictly no calls will be entertained. Required female gynecologist for a hospital in Korangi. Email CV hopekarachi@gmail.com. Mention position in the subject line. Contact 02132239930 02132239930 or 02132243889 02132243889. Required male supervisor afternoon/evening shift ब्रैकेट में लिखा हुआ 3 PM to 9 PM for a hospital in Korangi. 4 to 5 years of hospital administrative experience. Email hopekarachi@gmail.com. Mention position in the subject line. Required part-time dermatologist and pediatrician PTA ट्रिकियम क्या लिखा हुआ है ये, इसकी सही प्रोनाउंसिएशन नहीं हो रही मुझसे, माजरत के साथ. मेल RMO इवनिंग शिफ्ट. सैलरी बेसिक. कॉन्टैक्ट अल खैर मेडिकल सेंटर सेक्टर 5M नॉर्थ कराची. मोबाइल 0300 9289 676 0300 9289 676. The Lady Dufferin Hospital, one of the largest women's hospital of Pakistan, having 300 beds and specializes in obstetric, gynecological and neonatal pediatric services. The hospital seeks to hire for the Following positions: experienced sonologist MBBS with minimum 6 months ultrasound training and 5 years of relevant experience in a reputable hospital. Duty hours 1 p.m. to 5 p.m. Monday to Saturday. Statistician slash data analytics officer, master's degree in statistics with 2 to 3 years of experience in a similar position, preferably in healthcare sector. पोस्ट ग्रेजुएट ट्रेनिंग्स FCPS2 ब्रैकेट में लिखा हुआ है OPST एंड गाइनी ब्रैकेट क्लोज. पास्ट FCPS1 इन obstetrics and gynecology. Please share CV at careers@ladydufferinhospital.org and mark the position in subject title of email. Required physiotherapist for home visit in phase 5. DHA sent resume on WhatsApp 0300 203 440 0300 203 440. Calls will not be attended. कॉल नहीं कीजिएगा. यूरोलॉजिस्ट / जनरल सर्जन एंड गायनेकोलॉजिस्ट ब्रैकेट में लिखा हुआ है नो ऑब्स्टेट्रिक्स ब्रैकेट क्लोज रिक्वायर्ड एट OMI हॉस्पिटल कराची. MS/FCPS/MRCOG candidates with completed training can also apply. info@drimtiazahmad.com. WhatsApp 0333 3611 228 0333 Sales. An established chemical distribution / intending house needs following sales officers at Karachi, Lahore and Islamabad offices. MSc Chemistry / Science postgraduates having 3 to 5 years sales experience in coating, construction, pharma, food, personal care, specialty industries, local cities. Candidate will be preferred. May apply in confidence within 10 days. OPP.gen2024@gmail.com. A fast growing specialist vehicle manufacturer requires industrial sales executive. Candidate must be DEE ब्रैकेट में लिखा हुआ है मैकेनिकल / ऑटो और ग्रेजुएट. मिनिमम 3 years experience in industrial sales. Experience in fire equipment sales shall be an added advantage. Must have own conveyance. Must be Karachi residential and familiar with industrial zone of Karachi. Salary plus commission for selected candidates. Send CV to sadiqdabir@gmail.com or contact 0304235678 0304235678. A reputed lab equipment supplier company in Karachi urgently required staff for following position. For their Karachi and Lahore office position: sales manager, no vacancy. Number of vacancy 02. Qualification minimum BBA/BCom. Experienced in field 5 to 8 years. Job description: number 1, customer visit for presentation. Number 2, customer visit for sales and marketing. Number 3, provide quotations to customers according to their requirement. 4, participation in tender. 5, back office work. Send your CV latest by 15 February 2024 ब्रैकेट में लिखा हुआ applicable only for both Karachi and Lahore residents. Email careerlte908@gmail.com. Email careerlte email careerlte908@gmail.com. of supply chain company near Tariq Road. Required sales coordinators for handling the customers through online. This is an office based job. Require computer and communication skill. Male/female. Candidates may apply with confidence at admin@globalcorporationpk.com. We are looking for fresh and experienced call center agents, male only. For night shift, send CV and cds.career.jobs@gmail.com or WhatsApp on 0335 289 8477 0335 289 8477. तो जी ये तो थी मेरी आज की वीडियो. अगर आप लोगों को मेरी वीडियो पसंद आई हो तो मेरी वीडियो को लाइक कीजिएगा और मेरे चैनल को सब्सक्राइब कीजिएगा. इस वीडियो के लिए इतना ही. अल्लाह हाफ़िज़.